Hi, it's Clíodhna Ní Aodáin from the Celtic Cello. In my last video I spoke about using the pentatonic scale to create your own Celtic melodies, and I promised you that in this video I'm going to talk about how to add ornamentation and use the missing notes for effect. So I'll take our tune Fáinne, Geal and Lay that we've been playing for the last couple of sessions. And I'll add in a few little extra notes. So I put in a little cut and turn. And that was a tap. So a little grace note before the note. And what's most just interesting for me is because the F isn't in the pentatonic scale. So make sure you check out my other videos to find out exactly which notes are in the pentatonic scale. But for this, I just love the playfulness and the convenience for playing the cello of the second finger playing this note. Instead of, and here, so instead of, I add in, and then if you're creating your own melodies, I really let the fingers dictate the feeling for an ornament. So if I had, I was going to repeat the A. So it's like a passing note. And so it's really starting with 5 notes, which is easy, and then adding in the missing notes, the F or the B in the C major pentatonic scale, to just see what evolves. I let my fingers go for a walk. I have an idea, usually slow, a slow air. The more space you dare to leave, the more authentic that it can sound. Thank you so much for all your comments and shares for my last videos about the pentatonic scale in Celtic music. And I've had so many questions about where to go from here that I thought the easiest thing to do would be to open up a Celtic Cello Masterclass. So it's going to be on the 5th of September at 7 p.m. Central European time, that's 1 p.m. Eastern, And so when you register for the class, you'll get the tunes, 2 tunes, sheet music, and also written out the pentatonic scale in case you're unsure of what it could be. And in the class we'll cover creating tunes together, creating answering phrases, and it's going to be a whole lot of fun. It's really a chance to get to know each other, to interact, and for me to directly be able to answer your questions, take a look at your cello playing and see how I can help you to move forward. So see you there Sunday 5th of September at the Celtic Cello Masterclass.